Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys, another song for you today by ABBA, Dancing Queen, one of their biggest hits. Here's the intro, song's in A. Goes to D, back to A. Just those two chords, A and D. I'll just change the bass note there, D over F sharp, A over E. And we're coming with the song on E. You can dance, C sharp 7. You can jive. Those are the first two chords of the intro. So we got ba-da, ba, ba-da-da-da-da-da, and D. Again, ba. They come in with some oohs. Ooh, you can dance. C sharp 7. You can jive. First one was E. We go up to F sharp, so it's a moving upwards. You can jive. F sharp minor. Having the time of your life. B. Ooh, D. See that girl. B minor. Watch that scene. To E. Digging the dancing queen. E to A. Digging the dancing queen. D to A. There's some sort of movement there, isn't there? A to D. Before we come back in with what we call the verse. That's kind of like a mini chorus to start the song. Interesting way of starting a song. We'll come in with after Friday night and the lights are low. A to D again, same as the intro. There's a melody there, a D chord, and then a sort of E with an A at the top. We might call that an E4 chord. Add 4. That's your melody. Friday night and the lights are low. Looking out for a place to go. A to F sharp minor. Down to E, where to play the right music. Getting in the swing. You come to look for a king. Choose an octave there, Daniel. Come to look for a king. So it goes to E, where to play the right music. Getting in the swing. Maybe you have a passing A chord there. Ba, 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 ba. You come to look for a king. E, F sharp. Back to A again. We're going straight back in with another chorus on A. Anybody could be that guy. To D. Heart is young and the music's high. It goes A to D, A to F sharp, down to E. With a bit of rock music, I'm gonna play A. Everything is fine. You're in the mood for dance. E, F sharp. Now we go to B minor, because it's the second time. And when you get that chance, that's a B minor chord with a 7 added for flavour. Go to E. You are the dancing queen. Before we go back to the chorus. On that B minor, when you get that chance, there's a melody. Which leads into the melody even that they sing. B minor. So on. The other melody that he uses on the piano is, you know when that comes in, surely. That's the A, G sharp and F sharp. Play it up there, or there. Let's go back to verse 2 on A. Anybody could be that guy. On D, back to A. Night is young and the music's high. F sharp, minor. Down to E. With a bit of the right music. A. Everything is fine. You're in the mood for a dance. E, F sharp, minor. And when you get that chance, here's where it comes in. Try that again. And when you get the chance, dancing queen. A to D, young and sweet, only 17. Quite sure that's where that comes in, on that D chord. Back to A. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Ah, now here there's something omitted from this version. Something left out, one passing chord. Feel the beat from the tambourine. There's a passing E chord there with a G sharp into bass. You had a dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. That first part is just A to D. And again A, dancing queen, back to D. Feel the beat. Now we have that passing chord. From the tambourine. Those chords there, feel the beat from there. That's E, tambourine, A, back to E, down to D, down to A, with different bass notes there. You see E over G sharp, D over F sharp, A over E, and now standard E. You can dance, C sharp 7, you can go, F sharp minor, have the time of your life. To B, woo, D, you can see that girl. B minor, you can watch that scene. To E, digging the dancing queen. Passing chord there, that E, goes back to A. Dancing queen, digging the dancing queen. No, digging the dancing queen. That D comes in a bit later than I played it. Digging the dancing queen. That long, but I think it just does 2 bars of that, right? That little groovy part. Two bars, yeah. Make sure I say the right thing. 2 bars of that. A to D. Going in for a third verse now. A. You're a teaser, you turn me on. To D. Don't forget. There's your melody again. Slower for you. A, G sharp, E. You're a teaser, you turn me on. Leave them burning when you... Oh, sorry. Leave them burning and then you're gone. F sharp minor. We're going up to E, or down I should say. Looking out for another, anyone will do. You're in the mood for a dance. That's the simple way of playing that, E to F sharp, but I should really play looking out for another. You burning when you're gone. Looking out for another. Oh wait, maybe that is the right way. It just stays on E. I'm confusing myself now. I thought there was an extra chord missing. Just E. Looking out for another. Anyone will do. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance. I'm singing it in many different octaves, as you can see. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. A. Young and sweet, only 17. A to D. Dancing queen, feel the beat from that passing chord again. E over G sharp. From the tambourine. A. You can outro. You can dance C#7 with an F in the bass. You can jive F# minor. B. Whoa, see that girl. D. B minor, watch the scene. Digging the dancing queen. Something like that. Anyway, that is Dancing Queen. Not the best way of teaching it, maybe, because it's a lot, isn't it? There's a lot of chords coming at you. When I'm back in Chiang Mai, back to my apartment in Chiang Mai, and I'm using my Roland FP-30X digital piano, then I'll have back the digital above as well, from the Chordy app software, which shows you the notes that I'm playing. Anyway, I'm not there right now. I'm in Singapore using an acoustic. This one is a Kaiserberg. Never heard of that brand of acoustic pianos, but it is a good one. It's in tune and it sounds fantastic. Anyway, technical difficulties aside, I hope that it helped you to learn the song by watching this video. That was Dancing Queen. As always, click like if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have comments, if you have requests for other songs, leave them below in the comments, and I shall see you in the next one, which might be another ABBA hit, or maybe some more Bee Gees. And I'll see you in that one, hopefully, next time on Between the Keys. Bye for now.